गोयच्या खाद्य संस्कृतायेंत फणसाचें महत्व खूब व्हड आसा. ह्याच फाटभुंयेर फाटलीं 25 वर्सां फणसाच्या फेस्ताचें आयोजन फेस्तकार माउरीस फर्नांडीस करत आयला. अंदू वर्सा 84व्या फेस्ताचें आयोजन गोंय फार्मासी कॉलेजींत जातलें. 22 जुनाक सांजेचे 3 ते 6 मेरेन हे फेस्त सगळ्यांक उक्ते आसतलें.
Actually, a lot of you all have been to our festivals in the past. This is going to be the 84th People's. I remember year 2000 when I came, we started something called in Goa for the first time ever World Goa Day. So this is the 24th year. Today on social media there's World Goa Day everywhere. But it started in Goa at the Samathias Pondera. When I'm talking about Samathias, I'll tell you part of that as well. I'm from Samathias Divar. 17th of August is the Samathias Pondera this year. And starting at 1 o'clock will be the Pondera Janjawan and Patoyan Fest. Please do join us for the Passover, which will be followed. So that's on the 17th. So coming back to our fest, which is on the 22nd of August, we will have something called Balkanjo Gozali. In Goa, we need to share knowledge with the next generation. So our friend here, Miguel Braganza, will be having a Balkanjo Gozali talking about the future food, which is going to be the jackfruit. The United Nations already talking about it.
Welcoming you for this yet another festival from Goito Festakar Marias Fernandez, which will be held as Ponsachem Fest. Now we are in the monsoon season. South Java is there. Then again Goa Day on 24th of June. So all together, this will be Marias Fernandez's 84th Goite Festival. These festivals are people's festivals to preserve Goa's heritage, food, culture, and preservation of Goanness. So this festival will be held when we say people's festival. Festivals, all these festivals are inclusive festivals.